Reolink Camera Setup Guide. Wi-Fi, PoE, Doorbell, Go PT Plus and Home Hub in one video. Today I'll show you the complete Reolink setup process for all devices. Wi-Fi cameras, PoE NVR, PoE Doorbell, Reolink Go PT Plus and the Reolink Home Hub. Let's jump straight in. Connect camera arrow router using Ethernet. Connect NVR arrow monitor, HDMI/VGA. Power on NVR. Create password and set time zone/resolution. Add cameras from device list. Enable NTP and save settings. Reolink Wi-Fi camera setup. Install Reolink app. Power on camera. Tap Plus. Scan QR code. Connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Set password and camera name. Pro tip: keep camera close to router during setup.
Reolink PoE Doorbell setup. Mount bracket, attach doorbell. Connect Ethernet from PoE switch/router. Add in Reolink app using Plus. Follow steps until LED turns solid. Configure motion zones and notifications. Reolink Go PT Plus, setup 4, G/5G, insert SIM into camera. Power on and scan QR code in app. Activate SIM, set password, name camera. View live feed via mobile network. Reolink Home Hub setup connect hub to power and router. Add via app by scanning QR. Set username, password, device name. Add all cameras, set motion alerts and schedules. Enable HTTP/HTTPS ports in app. Device settings, network, advanced. Open browser, type http://192.168.1.103. If not loading, use 192.168.1.103 port.